In today's tutorial, I am going to show you 5 animated points infographic slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, there are the 5 rectangle options here. When I click, it will reveal the first title one along with the icon, detailed text and the big option number here. Then it comes the title 2 with the different gradient colors, the title 3, title 4 and the title 5. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to insert shapes and from the rectangle select this one, which is the top corners rounded. Draw it as per your requirement, maybe this much size. And you can see here there are 2 orange points. The first orange point, which is on the top, I'm just going to make it completely flat, and the bottom one I'll just drag it and make it somewhat curved. You can see here we end up getting this shape. Then shape outline, make it no outline, and you can give some different color. Later on we can change the color. And then I'm just going to cut it from the top, go to insert shapes, and I'm going to select a triangle, draw a small triangle, shape outline, make it no outline, and you can just rotate it, flip vertical, just bring it more down and make sure that both are in the middle. Just say align center, and then I'm just going to select this and hold the shift key, select the triangle, go to format, merge shape, and just say subtract. So you can see here you got this particular shape, and then right mouse click, go to format shape, and you can give some shadow effect here, a little bit of shadow effect. And then go to insert shapes. I'm going to select the second option and just make a small option, this one, the rectangle, and make it fully curved. You can see here, and bring it here. And then shape outline, I'm going to make it maybe say gray, and later on I'm just going to change the color. And shape outline, you can increase the weight, you can see here. And this one I can just give some gradient fill. I'm just going to select, and by default it will be 4, but I have used, that's the reason it's showing 2. So I'm just going to select this, more colors, use some good color combinations. For example, maybe this one along with maybe this color, or whatever color combination you can see here. And then you can change the direction, which direction you need. Maybe you can use this direction, and then send this to back. So you can see here you've got this particular shape. And then you can add some detailed text here. For example, let me just add the option 1, go to insert text box, and I'm just saying 1, center align, increase the size. You can make it bold, you can see here. If you want, you can further increase the size, maybe this much. And then you can, for this also, you can give some the same gradient color. In that case, I'm going to select the text option. Don't select the shape option, select the text option. Again, text option, you can just select the gradient fill. You can see here like this, you can do it. And if you want, you can give some shadow effect also. I can just go and inner, I can just select this shadow effect, something like this. And if you have the icons, you can add the icons. If you don't have, you can just simply add the text here. You can just see here, add your detailed text here. Again, center align, put it here. If you want, you can just reduce the size. And then if you have, you can add some more detailed text here. And in this part, I'm just going to add the title. Go to insert text box, and I'm just saying title 01, center align. You can make it white font, make it bold, and increase the size. Again, put it in the center, you can see here. And then I'm just going to select this, hold the shift key and the text I'm selecting, press Ctrl G to group it. It comes front, and again send this to back. So you can see here our first design is ready. I'm now going to give the animation. Before giving the animation, if you want, you can just group the objects also, but let it be like this. So I'm just going to animations, enable the animation pane. First one, this one, I'm just going to make it a fly in. You can see here. So you see here, if I give this particular, it is coming from down actually, then this is not the animation I want. I can just say float in. You can see it comes from this point only, and then double click, you can just increase it very fast. So it comes something like this. And then I'm just going to select the same, and I'm going to give the float in again. Instead of coming from down, I want this to come from here. Can you see here, this float down? So it comes float down instead of up, and this should happen with previous. And for this animation, I'm going to add animation, more entrance effect, and I will just say stretch. And stretch option, I'm just going to say from top. It's something like this. And this also I can say with previous, or I can say after previous also. Now if I play, it comes something like this. You can see here. So let it be this also with previous. Now if I play, it comes something like this. This also I'm going to make it very fast. If I play now, it comes something like this, simple. Now it's easy. I'm just going to select all, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I can just put it here. You can see here. Before that, I'm going to select and move to the one side. And how many options you need, you can just duplicate as much. For example, I want one more option. I'm just going to select, press Ctrl D, and add one more here. Now it's easy for me. I'm just going to change 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you can change the color according to your, for example, let me just close it, right mouse click, go to format shape. So whichever color of your choice, I can go to more colors. Maybe I can select this along with maybe this color. You can see here. And for the same thing, I can just go select the text option, and again I'm just going to select the same colors here. You can see here, and this will be the title too. Likewise, you can just change all the different colors. And if you see the animation, let me just play. So this is the first option, second option, third option, fourth, and fifth. If you want, you can just reduce and increase the size also, or if you want only 4 options, then you can increase the width also. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.